In this quick video, I'll show you a way to find and enter multiple online contests / giveaways so that you can win some cool free stuff. Now, this appears to be a bug or an oversight by this company. Either one, it's an actual glitch and they did not program the feature to work like this, or two, it's done purposely so that their users get free, consistent traffic to their contests, which in turn makes it look more popular than it is, and so that they continue their free plan or upgrade their subscription. Whatever the reason, this little hack does work for now, so take advantage while you still can. I'm going to walk you through my own contest first, just to show you how the software works. Then I'll show you how you can take advantage of one of their features to enter into multiple contests yourself. The web app is called KingSumo, and it is an online contest creator, which handles everything from the entrance to integrating the email marketing to the drawing of the actual winner. By using KingSumo, you don't have to run the contest yourself and keep track of everything in an Excel spreadsheet, which can become very difficult when you're dealing with thousands of entrants. Online contests are a way to get new leads and their email addresses by giving away something of value. Some companies reward trips, free products, gift cards, or shopping sprees on their website. I'm using KingSumo as a way to collect the email addresses of people on the waiting list for the next online course. Instead of just boringly collecting emails the old-fashioned way, I decided to make things a little more fun and create a contest instead. This way, I can also generate hype for the course by giving away some packages to my students for free. If someone is interested in this course, they're probably going to join the waiting list anyways. But by creating a contest to give away a few of these courses for free, it will speed up the lead collection process and give them the chance to share it with their friends and earn more entries. More shares means more reach and free advertising for this course. So contests are a great way to get discovered. This is my giveaway on KingSumo.com. It's the mobile game design and development XP in the Symposium giveaway. Here's how many days are left in the contest. I put it for 2 months, about how much time is left in the course creation process because it's not quite finished yet. Here's the value of the prize. The course is going to be initially priced at $197, and it shows that there are going to be 5 overall winners. Scrolling down, there's a description about the course and the lessons it contains, and then a place to enter either using Facebook or by an email address. I'm going to enter a fake email address just to show you how the next page looks. After a successful enter, it says, "Congratulations, you're in," and then gives you the opportunity to add multiple entries if you perform specific actions. For example, you'll get 3 extra entries if you share it on Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or email. Down here are some of the actions that I personally added. You can come back each day for an extra entry, watch one of the YouTube videos. I have this set as the Become a Mobile Game Designer interview series, or subscribe to the In the Symposium YouTube channel. That is how the contest looks. If someone happened to stumble upon this page and be interested in the giveaway, they would enter their email address, which I would now have for marketing purposes, and in return, they'd be entered into a contest for a chance to win the Mobile Game Design and Development XP online course completely for free, a $197 value. That's a good deal for both parties. Now, this is the main thing that I wanted to show you guys. If I open up a new incognito window and go to the homepage of KingSumo.com, you'll see a section where you can start your own contest, but right below that is a little link that says View a Live Example. If I click on that link, it's going to take me to a real contest that's running now by one of their users. In this case, it's to win a $1,000 Amazon gift card from a company called CoinMarketDaddy. In the description, I can see what CoinMarketDaddy is about. It looks to be a new blockchain technology company, but here I can enter in my email address and enter this contest to win a free Amazon gift card. Before using this method, I recommend creating a brand new email address to use specifically for entering contests, just so that your personal email address doesn't get spammed or bombarded with multiple marketing messages. But enter in that email address in the email field, and then as shown before, the next page will give you the options to add more entries into this contest. So say I entered this contest successfully. I close this window and try clicking this link again. It brings up the same contest. Bummer. I'm already in this contest and can't enter it again. But here's a little hack that I found. If I open up another incognito browser, go to KingSumo.com and click this link again, look at here. It gives me a brand new contest to enter. So if you open up new incognito browsers, you can enter into thousands of different contests completely for free. Do this 10 to 15 times a day, and who knows what you could end up winning. Again, I'm not sure if this is a glitch on their part, but new private browser sessions randomizes the contest that it shows you. I'd imagine they'll be quick to fix this, so sorry if by the time you're watching this video, the hack doesn't work anymore. I do know of some subscription-based websites that collect online contests from around the web and list them out so that you can enter, but they only seem to grab the most popular ones from widely known companies. The ones listed on KingSumo.com are usually startups, so I'd imagine that the contests have less entries and are less competitive, meaning you have a better chance to win the grand prize. So good luck, and I hope you guys win something cool.